Welcome back. Now we have seen everything about the data driven test. We have created data pools, we have associated scripts with the data pool, we have replaced the literals in the script with the data pool variables. Now it's the time for the playback. In the playback, what we have to do is we have to simply click on the run button. We'll execute the scripts. Before execution, if you want, you can make some modifications like your sleep command. You can slow down the execution pace, and also you can also work on the log files. If you want the logs to be displayed in the form of XML, text or HTML, you can use also the other formats like TPTP format or JSON format. So make sure before the playback you do this particular settings, and finally you can execute it. So let us see practically how we execute the script. Now after working on multiple things like what we have seen till now is creating a data pool, associating a data pool with a script, importing the CSV file into your data pool, finding literals and replacing the with data pool variables. Now is the time when we can execute this particular script. Execution is far more easier, but you have to take care about one thing. When you click on this run button, you can see you'll be getting a log file. So what is the name of the log file you want? So after that, you can just click on this next button, and here you'll find as data pool iteration count. So you have to take care about this, which number you want to select. If you have a fixed number in your mind, like if you have 50 records and you're interested in only first 5 records, you can select as iterate only 5 count. So if you want to execute all the iterations, you can select the option as iterate until done. So you have variety of options available. You can see the numbers which are available here, but I'll select here as iterate until done. So I don't have to worry the number of records which are present in my data table. So it will execute all those records one by one. Finally, when it is done, I can just click on this finish button, and it says the log already exists. Do you want to overwrite? I'll say yes. Now what will happen is, as usual, the window gets minimized and the execution will start. All the steps, all the iterations will be executed one by one. So it will take some time. Okay, so what I'll do is I'll just fast forward this video. Right. So you can see that the first iteration which is working, which is name as Pavan, street MG Road, city as Pune, and phone number as 8888. Okay. So I'll click on place order. I mean, it is going through one by one step. And later on, again, the next iteration will open and the next step will be continued here. Right, so that's the next iteration. We have Vihan, FC Road, we have Mumbai, and the contact number would be displayed here. Right, so once the execution is done, you can see that the results which are available here. You'll be getting as results which are completely no failure and no warning, completely as passed. Okay, I can click on this close button, right? So that was the easiest method to execute a particular script. The only thing is you need to take care when you click on this run button. When you click on next, you have to select the particular iteration count according to your requirement. Okay, and only then further it will take out the process, right? So I hope you have understood how to play back a particular script after associating with a data pool. That's all for this video.
Tutorialspoint.com. Simply easy learning.